Hi, I'm Supawee Srisurichan. I'm a pianist from Thailand. Now I study in Salzburg at the Mozarteum University. Now I'm currently doing my master's studies with Professor Pavel Kirilov. And before I did bachelor with Professor Claudius Tansky, a German pianist. Yeah. And I really like the city very much. This Sicily is a very nice city. And also in general, I like Italy very much because it's a country with full of culture and also great food, of course. And also, yeah. I feel very good to be here in this competition, and especially also to be in the finalists is like a dream, Yeah, and for next year, I would play the Rachmaninoff Paganini Rhapsody with the orchestra, so I'm very looking forward for this.